Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Thank you for being here. So I've mentioned this before on my channel, but I have a small business where I sell polymer clay earrings and accessories. I've got so many ideas just running through my mind, so I'm gonna try to prototype a lot of the earrings and Nintendo Switch charms today. I'm really excited. I'm like finger crossing that they turn out the way that I see them in my brain. I'm pretty sure I say that it's gonna be a chill day like every vlog, but it is. It's gonna be a chill day. I've got my coffee, my muffin. Grab yourself a snack, a cup of tea, and let's hang out. I feel like this vlog is all over the place, but I love the way the eucalyptus turned out, and it is now like 1:30 and the only thing I've had today was that coffee, so I'm gonna eat because I'm starving and I'm gonna try a new recipe. Okay, you guys, so it is like 7:30 now. I want to focus more on self-care tonight just because I have been extremely neglecting it for this past week or so. So I just got a foot mask from Marshall's the other day, so I think I'm gonna do that and maybe put on a face mask. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax and maybe play some games. I don't know. It's gonna be a good time. So I wanted to show y'all the goodies that I got. I got this foot mask from Marshall's. I mean, look at it. I think that I'm gonna do a pedicure tonight. Give some attention to my feet because they have been neglected, girl. They've been neglected. I also have these charcoal strips for your nose. It's just an assortment of things. I'm gonna take a shower first and then I'm gonna do my pedicure.